going on, guys? In this video, it's gonna be a little different than the other videos I normally post. I'm actually not gonna be working on my car. I'm gonna be working on someone else's car, which is actually my brother-in-law's car, and it's actually this thing right here. So it's gonna be a Ford instead of a Honda today. And I don't really like Fords. Never had any good experiences with them, working on them and all that. But this is what we're doing today. We have a, this is a bull bar right here. So it's kind of like a brush guard. It goes on the front bumper right here. Connects to the subframe down here. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that today. I briefly looked at this package before I started the video, and the instructions, I think they're right here, are really vague. Yeah, that's it right here. And they give you this black and white pictures, which you can't really tell what is what. You can't tell what goes where. So today we're gonna have some fun and just try to figure out what goes where. I mean, it's not too many pieces. It shouldn't be that hard. But that's what we're gonna do today. So let me get this all unwrapped and then we'll start. Alright, so I got everything unwrapped here. So this is what it comes with. Looks like well, you got a set of brackets, another set of brackets. These look like the end caps to go on the end of these, and then a big bag of bolts and washers and nuts and stuff. So this is the bull bar here. So basically this is gonna sit right up under here. I don't know if I can hold this here. So it's gonna look something like that. Can't really hold it there that long. It's pretty good. But that's what we're doing so far. I tried to read through these instructions, but they're just really hard to do. I know I got to use some of these brackets, and this bracket is attached to the subframe, and then this comes off right here, and then somehow I believe these mount to this, which will mount to that here. So I'm gonna play around with this a little bit, and once I think I got it figured out, I'll show y'all how it looks. Okay, so after messing around with this for a little bit, I think I got it figured out without using the instructions. So this is what it's going to look like when it's on there. I know it's a little off-centered, but I just got it resting on this bucket here. That's what it's going to look like when I got it on. If you can see over here, the lighting's not the best, but these brackets here, it's going to be this one here. It's going to actually mount like this. If you can see right here, part of the subframe here for the chassis, this is going to mount right up here like this. So if it was right here, it would mount like this on here. And then to get that angle where this end is here, we're going to use this bracket and basically attach it to this like this. So something like this. I can't really hold it with one hand, but it's like that. And then that end is going to attach. So this end where this hole is right here is going to attach like this on there. So it's going to look something like that. I'll walk through the process when I actually do it, but that's basically how it's going to be. And I'll just use these bolts and all that. But yep, let me take this all down and get ready to put these brackets on. Okay, so I got the driver's side semi mocked up. Get some light on it, but that's what it looks like. It's gonna be there, and so this is the bracket going off subframe. This is the other bracket. I actually had to flip it around this way on this side. It used to be like that, but this is the way it's supposed to be. I don't got anything tightened up, so it's not gonna stay. But that's how the mount looks for the most part. I think they don't give you much holes for support or anything like that. So the only thing they have here is this one bolt. I think I'm gonna get this lined up, And then just for extra support, because that one bolt's not going to hold much weight, I'll probably get up here, do something like drill another hole right here and then put another bolt through there. And then up here, can't really tell, there's a hole right here that's not big enough. I'll probably drill that out. I think the back side of it, there's no hole on the other side, so I have to drill a hole on the other side as well. So I'll probably drill a couple holes just to make sure it's secure. But other than that, that's basically how it's going to look, something like that. And then this is right here is where the end of that right there will bolt up to here. So it's not that bad. Gotta modify it a little bit just because there's just not enough support. But let me go ahead and get the holes marked up, and we can go ahead and drill. All right, so I got one hole drawn out here, marked right there, so that I'm gonna be able to drill this. I know this setup's ghetto here. I don't actually have a workbench yet. I need to actually get one of those so I can actually put this in like a vise or something like that, so it's a little bit more sturdy. But I'm gonna be drilling this. This is the hole for the other mount where that will actually hold the bull bar. So I'll be drilling this. I haven't drilled the other one yet, but I'm gonna drill this one, then drill the other one, get this side mounted up, and do the exact same for the other side. So with that being said, let me go ahead and get this thing drilled. Okay, got that hole drilled. It took me a minute because I was actually using an impact here. Impact with a 1/4 socket here, using a drill bit, trying to drill through this. So it wasn't the best. That's not meant for drilling, that's just meant for breaking and tightening bolts on. And I got a drill over here as well, but that battery's been low, so I had a really tough time drilling through this, but got it drilled through. Let's see here, I got that done. I got to drill through the frame here so I can get the second bolt through this hole. Once I do that, I can actually mount both of these up and get this one side done, and I just got to do the other side. It's not too bad. Just like I said, you have to drill a couple holes to make it work right, so it'll be supported good. But let me hurry up and get this drilled, and then I'll start on that side. Alright, I'm at a standstill right now. That drill died. That one's almost dead, so I can't do any more drilling. So, and it's already dark outside. So I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna let this charge overnight, and then I'm gonna get back to it tomorrow, and then we can actually get this whole thing mounted together, because we don't got much left. Just 2 more holes after this, and we can bolt it all back up, and she'll be good to go. So yeah, I'm gonna let this charge overnight, and then we'll get back to it. Alright, it's the following morning, or evening, morning, whatever it is. But my drills are charged right here. So now I'm just gonna pick up where I left off. I just got a couple holes to drill. I'll just probably knock those off real quick, and then we can mount this thing. So let me hurry up and do that. Alright, so I got this hole drilled here. Can't really tell because it's kind of dark. But right there you go, you can tell right there. Got that hole drilled. I'll be using that hole, so we got that bracket good. I drilled the hole in the other bracket as well, so both of these have holes right here. And I also drilled this side. Drilled out this hole. This hole was a stock hole on the truck. It was just really small, so I just drilled it out bigger. And then you can see on the other side, it's right here. You see that's on the other side, that's the other big hole. And then this hole wasn't there right here where my thumb's at. I had to drill that so I can stick a bolt going through it and put a nut on the other side. So I'll have 2 places to hold that mount and then 2 places on the other side. So the only thing is I have to go run to the store because they only gave me 2 bolts that are this big, and I need 4 of them this long. The next longest one is this one here. It's not quite long enough to go through the frame there. So I gotta get 2 more bolts like this, and then I can go ahead and mount the actual bull bar, and we should be good. All I have to do is once I get these 2 mounts, mount the bull bar to the mounts, and that's it. But let me hurry up and go get those bolts, and then I'll mount it up. Alright, so I got these bolts here from the hardware store. They're the same, well, not same size as these, they're the same size as this one here. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using here. And these are just perfect length. Before I go to put the rest on the brackets actually on the car or the truck, I'm actually gonna mount these brackets to this, just so it would already be on there, and all I'm gonna do is bolt this up. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, so I got all the bolts where I want them. That's what it's going to look like. I didn't tighten these up because I'm going to play with these when I get the bull bar actually on it so I can get it adjusted. So these are all where the bolts I want to go. So now that I got all these in place, I'm going to go mount these on the actual truck, and then I'll show you what it looks like with it mounted, and then I'll actually mount the bull bar onto it. So let me go ahead and get these mounted. Alright, so I got the mounts mounted. You can see it here. It's right here, all the way right here. That's where the bull bar mounts to. And this is what it looks like bolted up there. There. Same thing on this side. Right there. So all I gotta do now is mount this bull bar to the brackets, and we'll be done. Alright, got it all mounted up. Everything's tightened down. See right there, that's where it attached to. Going out that. Same thing on this side. All bolted up, tightened down, bolted up. So yeah.
Masco Systems.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I know this was a little different. I'm not working on my Honda or anything like that. It's actually a Ford, something different. I just thought I'd film myself working on it. I normally don't do stuff like this or record stuff like this, I just do it. But thanks for watching. Give me a like, go ahead and subscribe, and thanks for watching.